So we have a program to find the sum of first and last digit of any 3-digit number here. If your input is 1, 2, 3, and output must be 1 plus 3, 4. The sum of first and last digit of any 3-digit number without using loops. So look at the program. R1 is equal to n mod 10. Mod 10 always gets you the remainder. And R2 is equal to n by 100. And S is equal to R1 and plus R2 and print S. So the logic behind this is this. So 1, 2, 3 divided by 10, the remainder is 3. That is your R1, the last digit. To get the first digit of any 3-digit number, you divide it by 100 and take the quotient part. So 1, 2, 3 by 100, the quotient is 1. So 1 plus 3, that is R1 plus R2. So based on this, you can try one program, convert seconds into hours, minutes and seconds. If your input is 4000 seconds, output must be 1 hour, 6 minutes and 40 seconds. So you try this program based on previous notations.